What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down Zent coin, ticker Zent, a project that's slowly been catching attention in the crypto space. Now a lot of people are asking what this coin is about, where it's headed, and whether it's safe to jump in right now. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about the current market condition. Zent is still trading in the microcap range, which means it's very early in its life cycle. The price has seen some big ups and downs recently, typical for low market cap tokens, but overall volume is increasing, which shows that more traders are starting to take notice. Whenever you see liquidity growing on smaller projects, it usually means the community is getting stronger and exchanges might be preparing for bigger listings down the line. Now, why are people talking about Zent coin right now? There are a few reasons. The project has been promoting its focus on building a utility-driven ecosystem rather than just being a meme token. That means instead of relying only on hype, they're looking to integrate staking features, NFT use cases, and possible DeFi integrations. The team has also hinted at partnership announcements coming soon, which has created buzz in the community. Even though it's still early, these signals are what keep smaller coins alive and push them toward bigger adoption. As for recent news and updates, Zent has been trending on social media in crypto circles, especially with new holders pushing for listings on mid-tier exchanges. The coin recently expanded liquidity pools and announced plans for a DEX staking feature, which could attract more long-term holders instead of just short-term traders. But the big question for everyone, what about the future price prediction? Given the current trend, if momentum continues and Zent secures a new exchange listing, the coin could see a push towards 2x to 3x from its current levels in the short term. On the conservative side, if the market cools down or Bitcoin dominance rises, Zent could consolidate lower before finding its next move. Looking ahead into 2025, if Zent manages to build real use cases and maintain a strong community, it could grow into a project with a $50 million to $100 million market cap, which would put its price at much higher levels compared to today. Now the big question, is Zent coin safe for investment? The truth is, with micro-cap projects, the risk is always very high. On one hand, the upside potential is massive because you're getting in early. On the other hand, liquidity is still thin, and the project is unproven compared to giants like Ethereum or Solana. So while Zent has interesting potential and a growing community, this should be treated as a high-risk, speculative play. White right pointing backhand index final thoughts. Zent coin is in its early hype cycle, and if the team delivers on its roadmap, it could become one of those small-cap gems that surprises the market. But if you're considering an entry, make sure you size your investment carefully and never put in more than you're willing to lose.